Namaste. This is S.K. Batinder Rahman, Faculty of Pharmacy in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today we are discussing about beta-oxidation in the biological and metabolic beta-oxidation catabolic process by the fatty acid. Molecular breakdown within the cytosol in prokaryotic cell. The mitochondria in eukaryotic cell are generally acetyl-CoA, which enter the citric acid cycle and NADPH and FADH2, which is the coenzyme used in electron transport chain. It is the name of such because the beta carbon of the fatty acid undergo the beta of carbonic acid. Beta oxidation is primarily facilitated by the mitochondrial trifunctional protein. An enzyme that is complex of associate with inner mitochondrial membrane, and although it's very long chain fatty acid oxidize in peroxisome. Overall reaction is NCN acetyl-CoA plus FDA plus NDA NAD plus H2O and acetyl-CoA. It's converted to the acetyl-CoA plus N-1 acetyl-CoA FDA2 and 1 acetyl-CoA with NADPH. Activity and membrane transport. Free fatty acid cannot be penetrated or any biological membrane due to the negative charge. Okay, the free fatty acids cannot be free fatty acid cannot be penetrated any biological membrane due to negative charge. Fatty acid must be cross the membrane through the transport protein, such as ClC27 family fatty acid are the transport protein. Once in the cytosol, following the process of bringing of fatty acid into the mitochondrial matrix, so beta oxidation cannot be take place. So in matrix is when our biological fatty acid into the mitochondria, so it beta oxidation can take place. Long chain fatty acid ligase and catalyze the reaction between the fatty acid with ATP to the give fatty acid adenyl plus inorganic phosphate, which is reaction-free coenzyme A to the give fatty acid CoA star of AMP. If fatty acid acyl CoA has long chain, their creatinine settle is the utility. Acyl CoA is transferred to the hydroxide group creatinine by the creatinine polymerase transferase 1 located on the cytosol based on the locate on inner mitochondrial membrane. Acyl creatinine are the settled on the creatinine acyl creatinine translocate. It is the creatinine settle of the outside inner mitochondrial membrane. Okay. Now in here general mechanism of fatty acid. One of the fatty acid is inside of mitochondria. Beta oxidation occur the cleavage is the two chain of every cycle from acyl-CoA in the process of fourth step. A long chain fatty acid is the dehydrogenase to create trans dual bond between the C and 3. This is the catalyzed by the acyl-CoA dehydrogenase to produce trans beta 2 enol CoA. It is used to FDA and electron acceptor. It is reduced to the FDH2 and trans beta enol CoA. It is the hydrate at the dual bond. It's produced L3 hydroxyl acyl CoA by the enolic acyl CoA hydrates. L3 hydroxyase acyl CoA dehydrogenase against the create the 3 ketoacyl CoA by the 3 hydroxy acyl dehydrogenase. This is the enzyme used NAD and electron accept. The thio is occurred by the C2 and C3 alpha and beta carbon. C3 is acyl CoA thiolase enzyme catalyze the reaction of new molecule of coenzyme and break down the bond of nucleophilic attached on the C3. Is the release of 2 and first 2 carbon unit acyl CoA, fatty acid acyl CoA needs to two chain of carbon. This is the procedure continuous unit of the carbon in the fatty acyl is turned into acyl CoA. Fatty acid of oxidation by the most of the tissue in this body. However, some of the tissue are red blood cell of mammal and the cell are central nervous system do not use fatty acid in their energy required. Instead, the carbohydrate and ketone body. Because of many of fatty acid are not fully saturated, do not have any every number of carbon, ever different mechanism of their involved and description. Even the number of saturation fatty acid, one of the insight of mitochondria, each of cycle, beta oxidation, and two chain of unit of sequence of this group. In this dehydrogenase by the FDA, the first step is oxidation of beta oxidation in by the acyl acetyl dehydrogenase. The enzyme catalyzes the formation of dual bond between the C2 and C3. And the enzyme is acyl CoA dehydrogenase, and the end product is trans-enal CoA. Okay, the hydration. Hydration is the next step of the hydration. It is the between the C2 and C3 bond reaction. It is the which is the form of N isomer. Oxidation by the NAD. This is the third step is the oxidation L beta hydroxy acyl CoA by NAD. This is the conversion of hydroxy group and into the keto group. This is the 3-hydroxy CoA is dehydrogenate beta keto acyl CoA. This is the final step of the cleavage of beta oxidation acyl by the thio group of the another molecule of coenzyme is thiazole inside of the between C2 and C3. The enzyme it beta keto thioase. It is the acyl CoA molecule of acyl CoA and molecule 2 of the carbon short. In the general fatty acid in which order number of carbon is found in the lipid plant and the sum of the margin of origin. Many of the requirement animal of the large amount of 3 carbon and due to the fermentation of carbohydrate in the long chain fatty acid has been whole number of carbon atom found in a particular piece of the meal. Chain have a whole number of carbon oxidation, same number of which is the final product of the polypropylene CoA acetyl CoA. Okay, this is the odd number. Now is unsaturated fatty acid. Beta oxidation unsaturated fatty acid possibility problem to genes locate on the cis bond and prevents the form of trans bond. It is whether is conformation of different type of substance like acyl CoA dehydrogenase and different type of if the acyl CoA contain the delta 3 bond and cis enol acyl isomerase is converted to the trans bond. It is the summarize of the different process. Now we're discussing the briefly about the beta oxidation, how to work the beta oxidation and different process. Mitochondrial fatty acid beta oxidation. Fatty acid beta oxidation is a process to break down of the long chain acyl CoA molecule up to the acyl CoA molecule to the long chain of acyl CoA molecule to the acetyl CoA molecule. This is number of acyl. This number of acetyl CoA. It is the produced the dependent up to carbon long chain fatty acid being to the oxidation. This is the enzyme involved in various enzymes. This is the 4 main enzyme of involved in fatty acid beta oxidation being in the order of acyl CoA dehydrogenate, enoyl acyl CoA and hydroxyacyl dehydrogenase and the keto acyl CoA thiolase. Okay, in the end product of the detoxidation is the cyclic two main molecule of our form acyl CoA and acetyl CoA and acyl CoA, that is the two chain of salt. In addition, during the beta oxidation, NADH and the FDH2 are formed. One of the FDH2 produced during the reaction catalyzed by the acyl-CoA dehydrogenase. And NADPH produced during the reaction catalyzed the hydroxy acyl-CoA dehydrogenase, and the FDH2 and NADH are produced during the process of fatty acid beta oxidation are used by the electron transport chain in the producer ATP. There is different isoform of dehydrogenase, a long chain acyl-CoA dehydrogenase mediator of chain acyl-CoA dehydrogenase, and short form of acyl-CoA dehydrogenase interesting involved in hydrogenate and acyl dehydrogenase ketose isoform of long chain, the form of complex inner mitochondrial membrane. In the enzyme of request to beta oxidation saturation of fatty acid, old chain of fatty acid, it is odd number of fatty acid are broken down by the beta oxidation acyl-CoA molecule. And acyl-CoA, the propylene and acyl-CoA could be metabolized the alternative pathway. It is the methodical acyl-CoA, extractional acyl-CoA TCA cycle. This is the compare between the number of acyl-CoA. Thank you so much for hearing.